Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Mallory, your girl. I'm back. I just wanted to jump on. I wanted to send you guys a personal video message to let everybody know that I do have some amazing deals coming up this weekend, so look out for that. We have stuff for the moms and the kids, and then we have stuff for the business owners, the entrepreneurs, the creatives. So we have all of that coming to you this weekend. Please look out for that. Stay afloat as far as check your emails. If you see an email come through, open the baby up because there are going to be special deals that are dropping this weekend. So that is so fun. I'm so excited. I hope that you guys are able to maybe find gifts even for the emails to your husbands and your partners and say, hey, this is what I want. Get on this stick. So that's an option. And then I also wanted to tell you that I have a automatic writing workshop coming up. So that is happening on Saturday, December 7th at 1 p.m. Central. And then I have a second class for everyone who can't make it that weekend. And that's going to be Wednesday, December 11th at 8 p.m. Central. So we have lots of fun things in store. I am so excited, so happy to be back in this awesome creative zone, fighting through bronchitis, but it's okay. It's not going to stop me. It's not going to stop you guys from getting your deals, right? So I just wanted to jump on. I wanted to say hello. I miss you guys so much. I don't have the group anymore, and I needed to release that for that time, and that's okay. But I'm so happy that we get to communicate via the newsletter, and I see you guys on Facebook, and I see you interacting with me on there. So please keep interacting with me. Please add me on Facebook. Personally, Mallory McClelland, feel free to add me. I will add you back. I just love communicating with you guys, and I love engaging with you guys, and I'm here, I'm here. I've got fun, exciting things for you, and let me know, what do you guys want me to create? Let me know. I will make it happen. So hope everyone has a wonderful Thanksgiving, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.